Welcome back to part 2 of episode 1, and here I'm going to be showing you how to cut your jacket out while still keeping the checks matching. Let's get started. Okay, now so we're on to the next part of cutting out the blazer. All you're going to need for this is your shears. We're going to cut on the inlay edge, right? And then some parts we will cut net as well. But I'm just going to cut through and go through one layer. It's important just to go through one layer at a time because we're going to match it up afterwards. So we cut layer by layer. All right, that's how you're able to match the checks underneath, by cutting one layer at a time. Cutting over the inlay there, get around to the armhole, cut around the armhole, net, right on your line. Cut all the way down. And then cut in. Just a bit tricky bit where you got to cut in because I've got to make sure I keep that step that was on the dart, because when I close the dart later on, that step will go flush with the side body there. So I've cut that out. Now I've got to cut the front edge. Just cut that down there. I'm leaving that inlay, and I cut out just the bottom bit there, and then I cut the edge. And that's it, my first layer done. So this is how I'm gonna lay it out. Just fold that back, and I'm just gonna move it around the top layer just to make sure when I cut the second layer, everything is matching up. Now I've cut my top layer, I'm gonna do my bottom layer. Right, now you can put pins in there if you want. I've just put a pin there, and I've put one up there. Yeah, just to hold it in place, cutting it around. Now you must make sure, doesn't matter too much if it moves around on the inlay parts, because you can always line it back up again when you're tacking it through to make sure your lines meet up underneath. So you always got to like shimmy the fabric around a little bit anyway. But when it comes around to the armhole and these parts, make sure it does match. So if you need to put pins in, make sure you put it in the parts where it's net, where you're cutting, rather than on the inlay. But to be on the safe side, you could just pin it everywhere anyway, just to hold it in place until you get more comfortable. All right, so you can notice there how I'm making sure all that is matching. Make sure you don't cut off that bit. Cut it straight down and aligned. So that bit's done. Cut the front edge again, lined up. And then we cut this down. Now, there we go. So that is the front all cut out. Okay, you just put that to one side. And now we're gonna continue doing the side body. Cut it net on there, and then you cut up to where your inlay comes out, and you just cut all the rest of it off there. Always try to pull the material into the position where it feels more comfortable to cut. You don't want to be leaning over your board too much. You want to make sure you're cutting comfortably. All right, so I've got that layer done. So always just flick out the cloth, the top selvage edge, the leftover bits that you're not using, just flick that out the way, or any little bits, just throw it in a bin that are not being used. And then you can just reline the top, get it in position, put your pins in, and then start again. Now, if you're not sure whether you've got pieces that you could use or not, because you might have some small pieces that is too small, keep it anyway. Yeah, just throw it to the side, and then you can work out later on whether you're going to use it or not. All right. That bit done. Now move on to this bit. Cut my little step there. Go straight. Inlays there. Cutting that. Straight on the line. Cut it there. Jig it around. So that's that all cut out. So all we've got have left is the facing, and then we've got our top collar out of there, and then our patch pocket is at the bottom here, okay? And then you can get the out breast well out of here somewhere, all right? So we just fold this up to get this out the way, and then we can use it as fit up for our jacket. And here's the jacket all cut out. So we've got the front cut there, we've got the back here, side body that's cut matching up, and we got our sleeves. All right, and our sleeves, just check they're matching okay. Yeah, it should match up at the front there and at the back as well. So that's all matching. And remember the armhole, yeah, that's matching up to the armhole here as well. Yeah, see those checks matching there? So when we put the sleeve in, the deepest part here is the same as the deepest part there, okay? So our sleeves will be able to match up, so when it goes around there, we can match up these checks here, okay? And you'll see it when we put them in. Right, so next up is doing the mark stitching, and I'll show you how to do that. So you put these all together and move on.